everyone, my name is Simran, and today I'm going to be showing you how to decorate Easter eggs. So let's begin. So I'm going to start off by taking a plastic Easter egg, and then I'm also going to take some string. And what you want to do with this is take the end and then curve it around. Just take it around a few times to make the spiral. And then next, you want to take some hot glue. Then place a small amount on the tip of the egg. And taking our spiral, just want to place it on top. So now you should have an egg with some string attached. And then what you're going to do with this is take some glue and put it onto a paintbrush. And then you just want to go around the egg, applying a few layers. Just like that. And then hold onto the string and gently turn the egg. And you'll find that your string will stick on to the egg. And you just want to continue gently doing this. And then once you run out of glue, take some more and go around the string again. And then continue wrapping the string around. Do this until you reach the center point of your egg. Now I'm halfway through the egg, and what I'm going to do now is cut the string. And then I'm going to take some glue and apply it on the end, and then press it down. So this is what the egg looks like now. And what you want to do next is, like you did in the beginning, take some more hot glue. And then just like we did in the start, apply some hot glue on the end. And just like we did in the start, you should have your spiral from the string created. And then just place this on top. And then from here, continue doing exactly what we did in the start. So take your glue and apply it around. And then next, gently hold your string and rotate your egg. And then continue doing this until you went all the way around your egg. Now I have gone all the way around the egg, so I'm going to cut the string. And then I'm going to take some glue and place it down again. So this is what the egg looks like now. And then the next thing you want to go ahead and do is make some more eggs just like this one. Here are all of my eggs. And then what I did next was braid some string. And using the string, what I'm going to do is create a garland with the eggs. So what I'm going to do is take one of the eggs and put some hot glue on the tip. Just like that. And then I'm going to take my string that I braided earlier and place it on top. And then this is what it looks like now. And then I'm just going to continue doing this until all of my eggs are used up. So this is what my garland looks like now. And I also made a bunch of other eggs which are single colored, and I decided to decorate them by placing them in a basket. In my opinion, these turned out great, and let me know what you think too in the comments. And if you want to know how to make this bracelet, I have already made a tutorial on it on my channel, so definitely go and check that out. So I hope you guys liked this DIY and enjoyed watching this video. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!